Hey guys, Adam with Behm Muscle Joint Clinic. We got Katie with us today, and we're going to go over our next foam rolling exercise, and this one's a biggie, so this one's for the calf. A lot of times people, it doesn't have to be runners, but runners are very common in developing plantar fasciitis, or folks that have to wear either high heels or some type of heel at work, construction boots, anything that kind of gives us a little bit of a heel lift, tightens up the back of our calf. Calf is made of predominantly two main muscle groups, gastrocnemius and soleus. So we're going to work on kind of lengthening those. So someone that has a tight calf, Achilles tight pain, plantar fasciitis, heel pain, this would be a great one for you to do. To start out with this one, Katie's just going to, and the goal is to not roll behind your knee, just kind of start right below your knee, all the way to the Achilles. And so she can roll, you can kind of knock out both of them. You're elevating yourself up with your hands here, and then slowly rolling back and forth. And then to make this one a little bit more aggressive, you can kind of cross one leg over the other one. So now you're getting compression of Katie's left leg into the foam roller, and then you'll feel some knots and some nodules in there. If you kind of run into one, go ahead and just kind of hang out on it, and then you can kind of let that melt away, or move your foot as you're kind of hanging out on it, so you're getting compression with movement and getting those tissues to kind of peel apart from one another and slide a little bit better.